711 Texas there, 711 122 state of Maine, trying to wave if we can get through this big old traffic jam.
Well, hello there, Trinitron. Hey, Trinitron 9, your friend, 920 in the Lone Star.
Definitely rough and tough, 711. It's definitely rough and tough. So, hey, if we're still in your receive, we're going to wave a hand at you. And, hey, we'll definitely try to do it again. No doubt about it. But, hey, definitely was good hearing you rolling up through Maine. Hey, 711 122. We're waving.
Hey, 122, sounded real good. 03, easy money around Texas waving. Who that be around the state of Maine?
303, easy money. Gonna wave a hand right back at you there. Definitely getting over that old traffic jam. 122, waving right back.
122 around the state of Maine. I'm out of 122. 122, two bills gone. Yeah. It's always a pleasure, big brother. We'll do it again another day.
And two pill, you still got that big old mall over New England, no doubt about it. Hey, two pill, you are sounding real choice in my receive. 122, letting you know.
122, you still sounding good back round Louisiana. 122, you still sounding real good around Sweetport, Louisiana. 122, 122. Two pills gone.
Yourself a good one, two pill. Definitely good hearing that old radio again. I got a bunch of gates on you today there, two pill, because you've been hammering up here in the Maine, no doubt about it. Hey, and you've been loud and proud. Hey, two pill, we'll do it again. You take care. 122 back out. Bye-bye.
122 back. It's already still play. Put this book aboard my brother. Spread the good number around the house. Hold up my pride. And they tell them we did. Tired at it. Well, pal, we'll keep you around Louisiana where I got the ass to load out two deals that I got up.
357, Louisiana Swampland. We'll here standing by. Wait.
In Texas, buddy. The watchmaker waving. 59.
That time I got you 500.